Hi guys, welcome back to Sport Area channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to hide notifications text preview on iPhone. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you have to go into your iPhone and open the setting apps, and then tap notifications. After that, under the notification style, scroll until you find the app that you want to hide the notifications text. I choose WhatsApp here, and then under lock screen appearance, tap show previews. You can select it when unlocked or never. Now when you receive a message, you'll still see a banner alerting you to the new message on your lock screen, but with no contents of the message included. But because any kind of alert can at times be unwelcome interaction into your screen while you're in your setting, you can also disable the notifications entirely. To do this, after you tap the app you want to hide the notifications, simply tap slider that reads allow notifications, like that. This disable and green means this enable. So guys, just it from me. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.